Today's radio is a President Grant 2 Premium. This is the updated version of the one that I have, and there's only two ways you can really tell the difference, and that's by looking at the back of the radio, see if it's got a heatsink on it, checking out the circuit board inside. That did say 2, I meant 3. And the other way is when they get expanded, you get the UK FM, and when you press the AM FM button here, it goes straight to export mode. So with that in mind, you can go through your bands. So this is the UK FM. You have to bear in mind I've only got a small antenna outside, so let's say small to the 9-foot width, that's it. What you've been through the UK FM there, not getting anything in particular. Well, the controls are, you got the mode, which I've just shown, lock, so we can press and hold that, brings up the little key lock there. You can see I've actually got 5 memories programmed in there, I'll get to them in a second. Roger, or SWR. I'll press the microphone key, get an SWR the reading there. And that signal RF here. That's me. Yeah. Well, there's the one here. There's the Roger beep. Press and hold. You got a little note sound there. Scan. That's A&L and noise blanker. High cut. Now we've all 3 of them on. You might say why did A&L not come up, but it only works on UK on AM. So the scan, press and hold for scan. There you go, that'll just scan through the channels. The scan illuminated at the bottom. It scans through all 40 channels. You can put this onto auto squelch, and it'll scan the channels as well. There you go. You can stop that by simply keying the microphone. Okay, channel 9, well, we'll put this on channel 23, channel 9, channel 19. Notice how it goes on the set bands there. Channel 23. That was channel 9 on the set band. Back. Dual watch, press and hold. And again, it's channel 9. And then you change your channel. Yeah. Back to the UK FM there for now. You got the Vox. This changes the microphone into a Vox microphone. I'll listen to that. I think. So we turn on Vox. There it's there. Bring the microphone closer to us. 1, 2, 3. Audio. Vox off. That's on, shows you the levels, you can have it. Okay. So, with that in mind, this is F, which changes the bands. Now we're on mid band. This is a dimmer. Dim it down. Pressing it changes the colour to red. Dimming it again. Key beep. Self-explanatory. Local DX. Now it's in local. The signal's the one right down. Mic gain, same. These little lights light up, yeah. And the memory. So we can choose memory 1. You know, that's on AM. Memory 2. It's, FM SSB. Memory 3. 385 LSB. Memory 4. Got 555 in there. Memory 5. Channel 38277971. So let's go back to this funky mode. See if we can pick up any signals here. We'll start off on the A band. Right. Where were we? We're trying this 385 LSB. This is the clarifier here, we're trying to change this here.
All the best around the UK and beyond. Your great friend, Mario Preacher Man, World United. 239 New York, standing by. Hey, I'm waving right back. Good job. 20 dB around New York. God bless you. Happy Easter. And all the best. Your friend, Mario Preacher Man.
There you go, that's LSB. Plenty of action there, isn't there?
Hey, 030, 030. You rocking and rolling around New York?
That's all happening on the on channel 6 there.